Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and I love a high-waisted, wide-leg jean, and this pair that I got from TTFIFENG has been absolutely perfect. I have a pear-shaped body type, and I look better in straight, wide-leg jeans, and I am so pleased with the fit on these ones. So I got the size 8. I'm 5'4", 140 pounds, and have a 29.5-inch waist. I actually think I could have gone with a size 6 on these. They have a nice amount of stretch to them, but I really do like how comfortable they are. So I don't have to worry about, certain times of the month putting on a little bit more weight and them feeling tight. There's definitely enough give that I feel comfortable, but they're still tight enough that I don't feel like I'm wearing super baggy jeans. The length on these hits me right about at the ankle, which is the length that I'm liking in jeans right now because then I can wear my cute combat boots and they still look good. I got the dark blue ones and I've washed them a few times and the color hasn't faded. As a seamstress, I always look to see if a garment has straight seams and that the stitching is secure, and these are really well made. I get so many compliments on these jeans. I could live in them. I think that you're going to love them too, but that's just my point of view.